This is the top of 5-7. This is an introduction into drawing an Ogee. And Ogee is an interesting combination of arcs where you can kind of see in the example, it's where you have a straight line tangentially change into an arc, and then that arc tangentially reverses into another arc the other direction, and then finally tangentially changes back into a straight line again. They don't necessarily have to be the same radii between the two arcs, but for this first example, the easiest one, that's what they're going to have you do. So we end up needing to divide this line between, see how you draw a line between B and C in this case, or over here it's going to be between M and N. We need to divide that line into four pieces. And I'm actually going to use the bisecting method, where you divide it in half and then you divide each half in half. That would actually be the most accurate. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab a straight edge and pencil, and we're going to draw a construction line between M and N, like so. And then I'm going to take my compass and let's adjust it to bisect this line I have created. So I need to have an arc up there and an arc over there somewhere. Okay. Then I draw that reaching the line in the middle. Alright, so that right there is now my halfway mark or midpoint. So I'm going to adjust my compass for a little bit over half. It's probably too much there. A little bit over half of each half, right? So we have that, we have that. Flip the compass around, and then now we have that and that. Continue over here. There we go. And some lines using those two intersections for each side. Okay, so that's getting through those four equal parts. Now what you need to do is bring a line perpendicular from each starting and ending line down to where it intersects there and there. So I'm going to use this side of my triangle and align this the best that I can and find the intersecting point on there. And then I will do the same for up here. Get that the best I can. Alright, so that would be the point I'm interested in there and there. So now I put my compass in each point, and I'll do my best to adjust this. This doesn't always come out perfect, alright? Yeah, it looks good there, so I'll bring that arc over. So far it looks promising anyway. Bring this here. Alright, so it's not super perfect. There's just a tiny little bit of overlap right here, but it's not bad. So that would be how to construct an equally length radii Ogee curve.